Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my official birthday. Yes, y'all. I am 33 years old today. I'm still shocked. I still can't believe it. Like God has allowed me to be here for 33 years. So hopefully there is more to come. So I'm starting this video off. I have recorded footage because I technically celebrated my birthday on Saturday, which I do have footage from that, but I didn't record the whole thing. And then something had kind of happened, so it's a long story. But I was today. Um, I'm not really doing anything today for my birthday. Like other thing, me and my husband was gonna go out to eat, but I just like, you know what? Let's not even spend money. Like let's just cook at home, and if we need to just grab odds and ends for that, then we'll just do that. So um I'm going to make some beef fajitas, and I'm going to make the kids sloppy joe, because the kids, they really picky about what they want, about what they eat. So you know so that's what I'm doing today. But so I'm going to put in the footage that I already do have from what, and then I will come back to um making the fajitas and sloppy joe, and so see y'all. Birthday, and I am here at work, and this is what I see. I'm like, oh. So, you know what? I got my tripod. Let me see if I can put y'all on there. I don't know. Okay, y'all, got y'all sitting up but high because my little desk thing couldn't see my face. So, let's see what they got me for, or what she got me for my birthday. So, got a card. It says, wishing you joy on your birthday. Anisha, do whatever makes you happy. Enjoy your special day. Cindy. Aww. Thanks, Cindy. And it's in a little gift bag. Let's see this in here. Aww. It's a wallet. This is cute, y'all. Got the little one with the little card thingy in it. So it looks like it's for breast cancer awareness. It says on a wallet. Let me just show y'all. Can y'all see that? It says courage, love, faith, hope. Yeah, that's all I said. Love, hope, courage, love, faith. Aww. Thank you. And I got some hand lotions. It's pretty as a peach. Look like it's from Bath and Body Works. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh, this was so thoughtful. Oh, thank you, Cindy. I wasn't even expecting anything. She's always so sweet. So yeah, y'all. So I just got here to work, and I got my flip-flops on, my sandals on, not flip-flops, but my slides on, and I need to change into my tennis shoes. I gotta look and see what's going on today. My boss already told me some things that I need to do, so I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna show you all what I all got from Walmart. So I got these two smaller size pizza crusts. I got two of these because me and the kids probably gonna make pizza later on this week. We got some bread. Got some Southwest Ranch. Got some pizza sauce, the squeezable kind. I got some fajita sauce, some habanero seasoning, 2 packages of habanero, and 2 packages of the garlic parmesan. I know you see the can of Spam, but the Spam not a part of it. Got some rice, got some triple cheese, got some pizza blend cheese, some sausage, because this is going to go with the pizza. Some salad. My husband's going to make him a salad because he said he trying to get away from red meat. Not like he cutting it out, but I guess he feel like he been eating it too much. So anyway, salad. I got two packages of mixed vegetables, some corn, some California style vegetable mix, some mushrooms, some diced ham. Yeah, I didn't even know that you can buy fajita mixed already made. So I got 2 of those. We needed some more milk, so I got a half a gallon. It seemed like sometimes I would buy a full gallon, don't get used, but about a half a gallon to be used up. So anyways, 2 boxes of cornbread, Jiffy corn mix. Got the girls 2 chocolate milks, some Parmesan cheese, 2 cans of seasoned beans. Those is for my husband. The Sloppy Joe sauce for the kids, and a package of chicken breast tenders. Then got the hamburger meat in the sink, and the stew meat, the beef in the sink. So I gotta pick the kids up soon, and about to get ready to get this to cooking and try to have it done before I gotta pick them up. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. So I'm about to eat now. I don't know if y'all can hear the kids, but the kids are home now. I'm about to make me a little daiquiri, and I'm going to chill out. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it wasn't much going on, but oh yeah, I would have showed you all the food I was making, but my phone died, so can't do nothing if your phone dead, right? Right. So yeah, like I said, I know it wasn't much footage, but for the whole party thing, I was running late. My cousin did my makeup, all that good stuff, and by the time I got there, it was just late, and I didn't get a chance to do. It's a whole lot of things I get a chance to film and show. So I'm probably gonna be putting pictures and stuff in here so y'all can see. And stuff like that. So hope you all enjoyed the video. If y'all like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join my life. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell that's right next to the subscribe. That bell will let you know every single time that I post. Leave a comment down in the comment section.
Hey guys.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. 33. Here comes that, y'all. Yep, 33. So, and I think somebody threw their food away?
Never mind. No, mine's still.
Okay, yeah, I gotta go because I made steak and rice and stuff, and this steak ain't cheap. And somebody threw it away? Yeah, okay.